How to permanently delete apps on your iPhone. Today, I'll show you how to permanently delete apps and their data step by step. Start by deleting the app from your home screen. Locate the app, press and hold its icon, tap Remove App, then select Delete App and confirm. Next, check the app library by swiping to the last page of your home screen, searching for the app, pressing and holding its icon, and choosing Delete App. To ensure the app's data is removed from iCloud, go to Settings, Your Name, iCloud, Manage Storage, find the app in the list, and select Delete Data. For leftover app data on your iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, locate the app, and delete any residual files. To prevent deleted apps from reinstalling, disable automatic downloads by going to Settings, App Store, and turning off apps under Automatic Downloads. And that's it. By following these steps, you can permanently delete apps and their data from your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.